Hi, it's Fies Tarot. Hello, all signs, alam nyo. Kanina, ngawa na ako ng ngawa. Hindi pa pala siya naka-record. Oo. Anyway, all signs again. Oo. Ito po yung ating reading pagdating sa emosyon ng person na iniisip mo. The whole week po, no? Emosyon niya this whole week pagdating sa'yo, okay? Pero syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang, okay? And syempre, again, kung meron pong tanong pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganun din po pagdating sa ating mga items, okay? So, yes, we do have protection from evil eye. Unang-una, lagi, yung ating protection sa evil eye. Okay? Yan ang madalas na ating kailangan talaga na meron tayo, no? Sa mga naniniwala. Oo. Pero hindi naman masamang hindi maniwala. No? Oo. Anyway, it's up to you. May free will tayo. So, ang ating evil eye protection, okay, ito po, no? Meron tayong ring, meron tayong necklace, and meron tayong dalawang sample ng bracelet. So, yeah, yan sila. Yan yung ating mga evil eye protection. Okay? So, if you're interested, yeah, yung ating, ang tawag doon, adjustable is available po, ha, sa red string. Ito yung may initial po. So, ito yung ating apat, no, na evil eye protection. So, yan lang po ang available natin na evil eye protection, ha. Kung meron kayong nakikitang iba, sabihin, ay, binili ko to kay pinurchase ko to kay madam, ganito. Ito lang pong available. Kasi meron ako na-encounter, binili daw niya, pinurchase daw sa akin ng friend niya. Wala akong ganoon. Sabi ko, baka na-scam siya. That's not from me. Oo, hindi yan akin, hindi ko kilala yan. So, yun. No, ito lang po yung atin. Okay, yung apat na yan. Evil eye protection natin. Dalawang sample ng bracelet, ring, and yung ating necklace. This is, ito is adjustable, yung ring, adjustable, ito is garterized, okay? So, yun po, ha. Please lang, makinig kayo, makinig kayo sa ating opening, oo, kasi minsan, hindi nyo alam, ganito, ganyan, o, diba? Tas mamaya, magkaka-issue. Anyway, so, yung ating 2-in-1, love and money, oo, bracelet. This is unisex, pwede pong gamitin ng lalaki, ilagay lamang sa red pouch. Okay? So, gawing charm. Okay, so hindi siya ganyan like pale, pero pag nakita nyo yan sa personal, this is so maganda. Oo, napakaganda nito sa personal. Anyway, so meron siyang citrine stones. Okay, citrine kasi siya yung nag-a-act as our money magnet. Okay? Money magnet. So, ginagamit siya sa business, ginagamit siya kung saan man kayo kumikita. Okay? So, tutulungan kayo na makakuha ng maraming sales, tutulungan kayo na makakuha ng maraming customers, clients, new projects maybe, mga ganyan pong bagay, no? And syempre, sinamahan din natin, no? Sinama natin sa love kasi this is connection. So, mas maganda, magkakaroon ng magandang communication or connection tayo, no? Hindi lang sa love, kundi sa pamemera din, no? Ito yon. Okay? So, there. I need your real name. Wag nyong ikahiya ang inyong real name. Okay? And syempre, samahan po natin ng evil eye protection ito. Mas maganda po. Samahan natin ng evil eye protection. Kahit anong evil eye protection na meron. Okay? So, next is yung ating granter necklace. So, si granter, yung taga-grant po, ha, ng inyong mga minamanifest. Okay? Pwede po ba yan para makabenta kami or mabenta namin yung lupa namin whatsoever? Or makapasa ako sa board, sa bar? Or, yeah, mga ganun po, ha, na mga minamanifest legal, na mga matter. So, sana maipanalo namin yung kaso, ganto, ganyan. Mga ganun po, ang madalas grant kay granter. Okay? Aside sa mga pwede pang namang ma-manifest ninyo. Yes, yun yung mga parang mga bigati na, no, na issue. Yun yung parang laging pinapa-grant dito kay granter. Anyway, so this is made to order. Yeah, yung ating granter necklace po, ha. And hindi naman nagta-tarnish to kasi 2 years na sa akin to. Okay, sa mga nagtatanong, 2 years na sa akin si granter. Pero ganyan pa rin siya. Okay? Shiny pa rin siya. No? So, kung gusto nyo palitan ng chain, pwede naman. Pero sa mga gusto na ganito na lang din, this is 20 inches long. Okay? Non-tarnish, hypoallergenic. Okay? So, next is yung ating cord cutting. So, si cord cutting, pasisimplihan na lang natin ang description. Pagtatanggal po ng mga nagbibigay ng alat or MALAS sa inyo. Okay? Hindi na tayo masyadong magfo-focus sa mga taong nakakonect or mga taong nakakapit pa rin sa energy nyo. Yun din naman yun eh. Okay? Kung sino man yung mga nakakapit na yan, sila yung nagbibigay ng alat sa inyo eh. No? Could be ex mo or whatsoever. Kung sino man yung mga yan. Okay? Sila yung nagbibigay ng pabigat na energy sa'yo. So, ano bang meron doon? Diba? MALAS, alat, mga ganun. No? So, yun po ha. Okay? So, yun ang ating ito, yun yung job description ni cord cut. Pwede to sa bahay. Okay? Pwede to yung pangtanggal ng hindi magandang energy sa bahay. Lagay mo lang sa iyong front door. Sabit mo sa front door kung gusto mo. Sa business, pwede rin to. Okay? So, it's like panglahatan. Panglahatan ito si cord cut. Anyway, so again, yung ating cleansing kit, white sage and selenite. Okay? Selenite po is siya yung charger ng ating mga charms and crystals kung meron kayong mga ganon. Okay? And, yeah, lifetime use po yung selenite. So, kung may tanong, message na lang po, okay? So, let's start our reading. Oh, nakita ko si San. Sana umaraw na, no? Anyway, parang paaraw na nga. Paganda na. Anyway, so, okay, the reading starts at 7:15. Pasensya na, kailangan ko lang magsalita talaga sa umpisa. Para hindi na paulit-ulit. Oo. Doon sa ang tawag dyan, sa PM. Okay. So, feelings ni person mo, air sign, Gemini, Libra, and Aqua. Who is this? Para malaman natin na siya to. Temperance universe could be a fire sign. Sagittarius. What's with that temperance universe? Itong taong to, number 1, ayaw niya, naghihintay siya. Napaka-iksi ng pasensya ng taong to. Babae man, lalaki ko naman ang gender niya. Okay? Some of them, you're too tired of waiting sa kanya. Madalas siyang nag-i-ignore. Pero ayaw niya na siya yung maghihintay. Okay? Some of you are still waiting for a reply from this person. Sa ngayon, naghihintay ka pa rin sa kanya. Anyway. So, ano ba? May chance na ini-ignore ka nito ngayon, ha? Okay? Let's see. Pwedeng hindi pa kayo totally break ng taong to. Parang nawala lang siya. Parang ginost. Let's see. Ano bang emotion niya for you? This coming week. This week. Okay, the Queen of Cups reversed. This is, sabihin natin hindi siya available emotionally. Why? Why the Queen of Cups reversed? Oh, the Three of Pentacles in reversed. Merong sabihin nating nakakagulo sa sitwasyon nyo sa ngayon. Sana walang third party kasi may third party ako nakukuha dito. Yeah, the King of Wands in reversed. That's somebody who cheats, who tell lies, who manipulates you. Ang hilig din ito mambaliktad, air sign. Okay? Kung meron siyang nagawa na hindi tama, ituturo niya sa'yo yun. Ibe-blame niya sa'yo yun kung bakit niya yung nagawa. Okay? Yung mga ganun bagay. Anyway, so some of them, they're too selfish kasi. Okay, so yeah, they have options. They're a juggler. You're connecting with a liar. Oo, yun na lang sabihin ko. You're connecting with a liar. So, hindi ko nakikita na magiging available ito emotionally sa'yo ngayon. Okay? So, I'm hearing arguments if ever. Yeah. See, the Two of Cups in reversed. Hindi na kayo magkaalay ng taong to. Again, the Seven of Cups. Hindi na kayo magkaalay ng taong ito. Air sign. Hindi ko nababanggitin yung mga zodiac. This could be any... Yeah, this could be any zodiac naman. Okay? So, who else? Who else? Okay. Their emotion towards air signs this week. Who is this? The Six of Pentacles. Now, ito ibang energy na po ito, okay? Hindi po sunod-sunod ang reading. Okay, kasi may nakita ako, may nagtanong, yung pong reading na una po ba is kasunod po nung isa pang read? No, magkakaiba po, no. So, nakuha tayo ng maraming energy hanggat maaari. So, this person, Six of Pentacles, they could be an earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. So, some of them may chance na nakikipagbalikan sa'yo ngayon or humihingi ng forgiveness from you. Why the Six of Pentacles? Yeah, the Ace of Cups in reverse. Humihingi ito ng sorry sa mga ginawa niya. Okay, ayaw nito na, sabihin natin may nangyaring fallout sa inyo. Humihingi siya ng sorry dahil doon. Okay, the sun is here. Some of you, may chance na mangyayari pa lang to. Okay, may chance na mangyayari pa lang. Pwede kasi naging one-sided before yung connection. Ayaw kong kunin ng emosyon, gusto ko intention. Okay, anong intention nitong taong to? Kung magbabalik at hihingi ng tawad sa'yo ngayong week. What is their intention? Minsan kasi hindi naman totoo yung emosyon eh. Yeah, we need their intention. What is their intention? The Five of Wands. What's with that? The Eight of Wands. The Devil. The Hierophant. Okay, they want this connection again. Okay, yeah. They want this connection again. They want to clear the air with you. Okay, they want sabihin nating umeffort muli. Okay? Dito sa connection. Yeah. Hindi ka nila kayang i-lose. Okay? 6-3. This is 9 of Cups in reverse. Ayun lang magkaroon ng ang tawag dyan, energy na masasabing panghihinayang in the end. Well, maybe they realize everything. Yeah, realization. The Page of Swords. Okay, so kung may babalik nga this week, may chance na gusto nilang makipag-ayos talaga. I-fix lahat ng i-fix. Okay, the emotion tsaka na yun. The intention is sabihin natin mas importante. Okay, so next, fire signs. Fire signs. Your person's emotion this coming week. So let's see. Fire signs. Pasensya na po ha sa aking boses. Ako ay talagang yeah, may sakit pa rin ako hanggang ngayon. Pero yeah. Okay. Who is this? Three of Wands. They're waiting. Or maybe you're waiting for them. Pwedeng LDR kayo. Pwedeng malayo siya. The Knight of Cups. You're waiting for this person to make their move. Yeah, some of you are manifesting. You're manifesting this person, I think. You're waiting for them to make a move. Will they? Let's see. Gagawa ba sila ng action? Gagawa ba sila ng action towards you, fire signs? Ooh, there's an offer coming in. See? Ito, yung hawak nung knight, kita nyo. Ayun, no? Tapos ito. So, yeah. Pwedeng gumawa na ng offer. Love offer. Itong taong to. Could be a water sign. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Let's see. Ano emosyon talaga? I think this person loves you. Likes you. Some of you, this is a new person. New love interest. Yeah, the Six of Wands. They will get your attention. They will. The Four of Cups. Oh, no. The Four of Pentacles. The Ace of Wands. Okay, so I'm hearing this person, yeah, they like you, they want you. Okay, this person wants you to keep them or vice versa. Okay. What's with this Four of Pentacles? Nakakakuha ko ng energy sa taong to na gusto niya kanya ka lang. They will give you a lot of attention this coming week. Queen of Wands in reverse. In a way na parang nakaka-reset. That's their way. How to make action. Parang ano eh. Ang tawag dyan. Way nila yon, no? Para maipakitang gusto ka. I don't know eh. Kasi parang pang-bubisit yung nakikita ko dito. Pero that's their way. That is their way. I don't know. Ayun ba yung tinatawag na tawag dyan, pagpapapansin pero may inis ka. May ganun, no? Oo, may ganun. Yeah, the Page of Wands. Andun yung playfulness. Yeah, the Page of Wands, the Six of Pentacles. Gusto nito makuha niya yung attention mo. Attention lang. Attention mo, akin lang. Parang ganun, may pagkaseloso tong taong to. They're into you. Actually, maybe this is a new person, new love interest. Naghihintay ka sa kanya na gumawa ng action, yes. Some of you kasi, you're waiting for seryoso na act from this person. Pero hindi sila ganun eh. Masyadong playful. Pwedeng ipinapakita na ng taong to na they like you pero hindi mo sabihin natin, hindi mo naiisip na gusto ka kasi iba yung way nila. Yes. Anyway, bahala na kayo. No? Oo. Bahala na kayong magantawag dyan. Gumawa ng paraan para malaman ninyo. Kasi, yeah, this person likes you. So, who else? Fire signs. Who else? Sino pa itong taong to? Emotion. This coming week. Okay, the Knight of Swords. Pwedeng nakakausap mo na itong taong to ngayon. May communication na. There's this back and forth communication. Anong sitwasyon? The Sun in reverse. Why? Why the Sun in reverse? The Queen of Swords. There's too many people. Too many people. Some of you, tingnan ko nga, ano bang meron dito sa Knight of Swords? Maybe some of them is too, in and out. Too in and out. Not consistent. Kasi may chance na, yeah, itong Knights ay nagkakaroon ng tendency na maging inconsistent. Okay? Yeah. The Nine of Wands. You have trust issue. Sa kanya. You do have trust issue. The Sun in reversed. You don't trust this person, aren't you? Hindi I don't know, like, yeah, kausap mo siya, kakonect mo siya, communicate mo siya, pero you don't trust the person. Like, pwedeng hindi mo sure kung sinasabi ba niya lahat talaga yung totoo or filtered. Parang ganon. Some of them, yeah, nakakausap mo, pero yun nga, inconsistent. Sabihin nating, ngayong araw makakausap mo hanggang hapon, pero in the evening, wala na. Or mga ganong bagay. And you don't know why. What's the reason? Parang ganon. No, so, yeah, the Sun in reverse, the Queen of Swords. Situation is like, may mga nakatagong katotohanan sa sitwasyon. Okay? So, ano ba talaga ang emosyon niya for you this coming week? Are they like playing lang? Or are they serious? Let's see. The Fool. What? What's with that, the Fool? Okay, the King of Swords in the reverse. They're playing. The Three of Cups in reverse. I think this person is dealing with 2 or more people. Okay? I think this person is dealing with 2 or more people. They're connecting sa iba't ibang energy. Okay? Hindi ko babanggitin yon kung hindi kailangang pagselosan o, 'di ba? Kasi yes, lahat naman tayo may kausap, no? Pero hindi ko babanggitin yon kung ito ay nakakapagbigay hadlang sa connection. Pwedeng ito ang hindi mo alam. Some of you, pwedeng kasal kayo. Pwedeng kasal kayo. Hindi mo lang alam lahat ng ginagawa niya. Pwedeng hindi mo nakikita lahat ng ginagawa niya. Pwedeng hindi mo nga talaga alam, or maybe hindi lang talaga niya pinapaalam lahat. Filtered. Hashtag filtered. I don't know why. I don't know. The King of Swords is somebody who tell lies. Who has secrets. Okay? Magka-connect na kayo nito, so hindi ko na babasahin, hindi ko na para ipaling doon sa energy na takot ito na ibigay ang katotohanan sa'yo. No, that's not it. No, parang hindi yun. Kasi yung iba, may energy ako nakikita ganun, pero hindi yun. Yeah. Talagang takot lang tong tao. Yung energy is like, they're acting cool. Okay? The King of Swords is somebody na pwedeng nagmamanipula nga rin. Okay? They're playing you. Takot lang talagang mahuli to. Yes, takot lang mahuli to. Kaya minsan, hindi niya sasabihin kung anong dahilan bakit siya nawawala minsan, or bakit hindi siya nakaka-reply minsan, agad-agad, mga ganong bagay. Para madali siyang makakabalik sa connection. Hindi naman niya pwedeng sabihin, ay, kasi kausap ko si ganito eh. Ay, kausap ko si Kuratsa. No, this time. Oo, so, di ba? Hindi niya pwede sabihin yun. Alam nga naman. Mawawala na lang yun. Hindi lang siya magre-reply. Para madali siya makabalik. Like, kung ano lang sasabihin niya. Nawala kasing signal eh. Or, ay, nawalan kasi ako ng load. Or, nag-brown out kasi kaya wala. Mga ganun bagay. Oh my gosh. No? Kesa naman sabihin niya na, ay, kaya hindi ako, fire sign, hindi ako makaka-reply maya-maya ha, kasi, oras ko naman para kay kay Cordapia. Ha? Maghintay ka lang muli. Ganon. Diba? Anyway. They're playing. Yeah. They're not serious. Kahit asawa mo pa yan. They are not serious. Niloko ka. The Fool. Okay? Next is water signs. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Okay. Yeah, I'm not feeling well, pero kailangan natin ng, mag-read. Kasi laging lang ako, nadidelay sa reading. Marami naghihintay. Anyway, water signs. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. So, water signs, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. So, let's see. Ano bang emosyon sa'yo ng taong to? So, sino ba ito? Sino ba ito? Okay, the Seven of Pentacles. Could be an earth sign. Anong meron dyan? Some of them, they're waiting for you. Expecting. Okay, what's with that Seven of Pentacles? The King of Wands reversed. Feeling mo pinaghintay ka lang nito, or feeling niya pinaghintay mo lang siya. Niloko mo lang, pinaikot-ikot. Anong kanta yun? Kanta ni Mitoy. Oo, pinaikot-ikot ka lang ng taong to. Parang feeling mo pinaikot-ikot ka lang, pero nag-expect ka, pero parang hindi nangyari. Kung ano man yung mga na-expect mo, hindi naganap. Okay? So, tingnan natin anong sitwasyon ba. Pwedeng pinapaasa ka lang ng taong to, ha? Page of Cups in reversed. Situation, the Page of Cups in reversed. Pwedeng meron ditong hindi I'm hearing a false start. Yeah, the Four of Cups. Hindi ko makitaan ng pag-i-invest, like mature connection dito sa connection na to. Yeah, the King of Cups in reverse. So, maybe somebody is hindi talaga totally, invested sa feelings, or maybe hindi kaya mag-invest. I don't know why. Yeah, the Sun in reversed. Seven of Swords in reverse. Some of you, you know the reason why. Some of you, pwedeng same gender kayo ni person. Meron ditong hintay lang ng hintay. Hinihintay mo lang ng hinihintay itong taong to. Seryoso ba talaga sa akin ito? Invested kaya talaga sa akin itong taong ito? Mga ganyang bagay. Same gender, some of you kayo, no? Nasa same gender connection. So, what is their real emotion for you? Like, deep down emotion for you ng taong to this week. The Moon. Why? Why the Moon? This person is indecisive. They don't know what to feel. Okay? They don't know. They don't know what to feel. They don't know what emotions na ibibigay sa'yo. They're confused. Okay? Some of them, they have options. Pero hindi lahat. Pero this person is confused pagdating sa'yo in general. Like, unsure. They're indecisive. Some of them, aloof. There's reasons, no? Parang may kanya-kanyang dahilan kung bakit hindi niya totally maibigay or makapag-invest sa'yo ng emosyon, because some of it, this could be the distance, okay? Or, could be the physical distance, emotional distance, mga ganyang bagay. Okay? Their feelings, sabihin natin, they're in their feelings. They're thinking of you. Okay? Pero they don't know how. Kung paano nga totally magi-invest dito. I think this person likes you. Pero the situation is too complicated. Too complicated, water signs. Yeah. They don't know how to offer you love. They don't know. But yeah, they love you. Actually, they love you. I'm seeing here emotions, like deep emotions. Pero, some of you, pwedeng magkahiwalay na kayo nito. Still, they're keeping you. I don't know kung bakit meron ditong, yeah, nakadama ng parang niloko lang ako or what. Okay? May dahilan tong taong to, water signs. You're in their head. Actually, some of you, yeah, this person, pwedeng iniisip mo pa rin to. Hindi pa rin kayo tapos. Like, yeah. Nag-iisipan kayo. The moon, that's mirroring. Okay? Pwede ko ano ginagawa mo, yun din ang ginagawa niya. Who else? Water signs. Who else? Oops. Water signs. Who else? Para malaman natin ang emosyon sa'yo. Okay, the Four of Pentacles in reverse. The World. So, the resistance, I don't know kung nilet go ka nitong taong to. Could be a fixed sign. Okay, Aquarius, Leo, Taurus. Ano pa ba? Yeah, fixed sign. Leo, Aqua, Taurus, Scorpio, I think. Okay, anyway. Earth sign. So, pwedeng long distance or talagang magkahiwalay na kayo ngayon. Let go ka. Ito is channeled message. Pwedeng nagagawa ng taong to na mag-travel or pwedeng nagkaroon kayo ng plano na itong taong to na magkita, even sabihin nating malayo kayo sa isa't isa. Okay? Or pwedeng nagawa nyo naman That's specific, not for all. I'm hearing a long distance connection here. Okay? Pwedeng naging ka-LDR mo siya. So, let's see. So, pwede may nangyaring ending. Anong situation ba? Okay, the Knight of Swords. Okay. The Ten of Pentacles. Somebody is not ready to commit. Okay, somebody is not ready to commit. Yeah. The Knight of Cups in reverse. May tumatakbo sa responsibilities or may tumatakbo sa commitments. Tinatakbuhan ng commitments, tinatalikuran ng commitments. So yeah, again, this person I guess is not ready for you. So what's your emotion? Some of you I'm hearing marriage dito or pwedeng ikakasal na kayo pero tinakbuhan ka. Or tumakbo sa responsibilidad. I don't know kung meron na kayong anak nito because the Ten of Pentacles is his family. Yeah, death. Tumakbo to. Tinakbuhan niya. So, ano emosyon nito? May ending sa nangyari. Some of you, matagal na to Ang emosyon ng taong to ngayon sa'yo, water signs. Strength in reversed. Okay. The Four of Cups in reversed. The King of Pentacles in reverse. So, tumatalikod sa'yo yung person mo. Itong taong to, this is your ex, I think. So, strength in reverse, the Four of Cups in reverse. Parang, okay, hindi ko napipilitin kung ano man. Hindi ko na to pipilitin. Even though you're my Four of Cups in reverse. Four of Cups in reverse po is the one that got away. Okay? The one that got away. Alam mo, water signs. I'm hearing that this person, sabihin nating nakakita sa'yo ng good connection, pero there's conflicts. Okay? There's conflicts. May mga conflict. Kaya hindi pwede. So, we must accept. Okay, parang ganyan. Kailangan lang natin i-accept lahat ng kung anong meron sa ngayon. And then, yeah. This is like letting go. Oh, the art of letting go. O, diba? So, ang kanta natin para sa mga water signs, the art of letting go. Anyway, yan. Anong lyrics nun? Okay, papatugtog natin, sa radyo. Ano yan? Oo, so... Anyway, so, earth signs. Okay, earth signs, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. So, the person's emotion for you this coming week. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Okay? So, the earth signs. Talaga namang, yes, ang masisipag nating earth signs. Oo. Let's see. Who is this person? Okay. The Ace of Cups in reverse. Could be a water sign. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Why? Why the Ace of Cups in reverse? The Page of Swords. Pwede yung taong love ka. Okay. Pero, alam nilang hindi nila kayang mag-offer sa'yo ng connection. Yeah, the moon. I don't know. This person, pwedeng hindi mo siya kilala. Hindi pa kayo nagkaroon ng connection like legit. No? Parang ganon. Some of you, this is somebody who is younger. Younger. Yeah, no connection pa. The Two of Cups in reversed. But yeah, this person likes you. They're younger. You could have age gap. Age difference. Anong situation? Anong situation? The Knight of Pentacles. Something is too slow. Slow moving. Yeah, the Hangman in reversed. Some of you, this person is waiting for your fallout. Like, fallout or ending pagdating sa kung ano mang meron sa'yo. I don't know, some of you, you're in a connection already. Pero, this person is, sabihin nating, stalking you. Tinitingnan niya kung, yeah, they're like wanting na magkaroon ka ng disconnect or fallout dyan sa kakonect mo ngayon. Yeah. They are. This is specific, not for all. They're watching you. What is your emotion? What is their emotion? Wala siyang masyadong ganap or gawa sa ngayon. Pagdating sa sitwasyon. Hanging around, waiting. What is your emotion for you, earth signs? Yeah, you're their wish fulfillment. Yeah. This person really loves you. They like you. You're their wish fulfillment. Why the Nine of Cups? They want to start a connection with you. They're manifesting you. See? The Star, the Ace of Pentacles. This person wants you from head to toe. Okay? The Sun in reverse, hindi nga lang talaga transparent or pinapakita ng taong to na they like you. Pero, I don't know, like, secretly loving you, waiting na magkaroon ng hindi maganda pagdating sa connection na meron ka. Some of you kasi, you're in a connection already. Naghihintay siya. And then, tsaka siya gagawa ng action towards you. Like that. They like you. They want to communicate with you. You're their wish fulfillment. Alam niya na hindi pwede. Alam pa niya alam ng taong to na hindi pa siya pwedeng mag-offer sa'yo ng love. Kasi alam niya, some of you, you're in a connection. They can't. There's a blockage. Parang ganon. This is young. This person, they're young. Yeah, see, the Empress Universe. Age gap. Huge age gap. Okay? Sobrang gusto ka ng tao, earth signs. Ginugusto ka ng tao, pwedeng hindi mo alam, hindi ka aware. Yeah. Somebody younger. So, what else? Who else? Okay, let's see their emotion for you, earth signs. Their emotion. Their emotion. Who is this? The Four of Swords in reverse. Could be an air sign. Gemini, Libra, Aqua. What's with that Four of Swords in reverse? Justice. Could be a Libra. They want to clear the air with you. Earth signs, they want to clear the air. They want to clear the air. You have this maybe legal background, legal matter, legal issue na pwedeng ongoing, on process, parang ganyan. So, what's the situation? What is the situation? Seven of Cups in reverse. And the High Priestess. Meron ako nakukuhang pagbabalikan or may nakikipagbalikan ngayon. Yeah, there's communication. Back and forth communication. Commitments, yes. Emotion, let's see. Kung nakikipag-ayos to, clearing the air with you, let's see. What is your emotion? Yeah, the Three of Swords in reverse. So, they really want to clear the air with you. Gusto makipag-ayos po, no? So, ano yung Three of Swords in reverse? Queen of Wands in reverse. Page of Swords. The Nine of Swords. Ito specific po ha, nagkaroon to ng iba. Okay, nagkaroon to ng iba. Pwedeng nakikipag-ayos and pwedeng ikaw is pinipili na. Okay? Pwedeng bumabalik, gusto na makipagbalikan sa'yo. Gusto na makipag-ayos. Kung hindi pa po kayo nag-uusap ng taong to this coming week, may chance po makakarinig ka sa kanya. Okay, let's see. Ano ba ang sitwasyon niya ng third party? This is a third party connection po. Okay? Pwedeng i-drop niya na yung third party. Or kung sino man yung dapat i-drop. Kasi justice is here. So, doon tayo sa tama. Okay? Doon siya sa tama. So, ano bang sitwasyon nila ng third party? Strength. Ten of Pentacles in reversed. Okay. So, I'm hearing a one-sided connection here. Okay? With this third party. Oo. So, I'm hearing control. So, ayaw na. Oo. Parang ayaw na. So, siguro, hindi na niya kaya yung connection to controlling. Parang ganyan. So, for me, pwedeng makikipag-ayos sa ito kasi parang, yeah, hindi ko na kaya to whatsoever. Pero yun yung dahilan. Maybe the person, the third party is too controlling. Ayaw niya nun. So, siguro ikaw, kung meron kang kailangang baguhin, no, para hindi na rin ulit mangyari itong third party connection, dapat may baguhin ka rin, no? Dapat may baguhin ka rin sa part mo. Kasi tinan mo, inalisan niya yung third party kasi nangongontrol. I don't know if you're controlling din. Kasi yeah, some of you earth sign, you want control, di ba? So tingnan natin, anong kailangan mong baguhin, anong kailangan mong i-fix if ever. The Wheel of Fortune. So, yeah, the Hangman. The Moon in reversed. This is changes, all in all. The Knight of Wands. Give them a chance, kung kaya. Pero, ipakita mo yung version 2.0 mo. 2.0, 3.0, 4.0, 5.0. Okay? So, I think itong pagbabalik na to is for the better. For the better. It's like, talagang nadanas na nila yung karma sa part nila. So, now, I think maybe they realize everything. I think this is like lesson learned dito sa taong to. Okay? So, yeah, gusto na makipag-ayos nito. So, it's up to you kung pagbibigyan mo or what. Okay? Anyway, so there, yun ang aking reading for you all signs. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And follow our FB page. Thank you. And yes, yung atin palang second YouTube channel na nasa description box below, yung ating love letter. Again, thank you. Goodbye.